Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain my complete exploratory data analysis and data pre-processing experiment in Python. First, I am importing the required libraries and I'm loading the data set stores 1a.csv and stores 1b.csv, and I'm getting the head of the first 5 rows of the data set, and I am printing the number of rows and number of columns using df shape, and uh, then I'm uh, getting the info of the data set. From there, I'm aggregating min, max, and mean, and getting the min value, max value, and mean value. From there, I'm getting the I perform a 5 number summary for the age column. This includes minimum first quartile, median third quartile, and maximum. Then I plot a box. The box represents IQR. The line inside the box represents the median. Points outside the whiskers are outliers. I calculate Q1 and Q3 using quantile function. Then I compute IQR as Q3 minus Q1. Next, I define lower and upper limits using Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. Any values inside the range is considered as an outlier. For the next question, I also detect outliers using Z-score. Z-score measures how many standard deviations a value is from the mean. If the absolute Z-score is greater than 3, it is considered as an outlier. This method works well for normally distributed data. I calculate the correlation using df dot correlation function. Um, the correlation value ranges from -1 to 1. Um, 0 means no relation. For the next question, I unstack I unstack and sort the correlation matrix to find high positive and negative correlation first. Then I filter values greater than zero point 0.6 or less than 0 minus 0.6. Then this helps identify the strong relationship between features. And for the next question, I calculate skewness of the tax column. If skewness is greater than 0, the data is right skewed. If it's less than 0, it is left skewed. Then I plot the histogram with KD curve to visually check the distribution. Then I use count plot for city column. This shows how many observations belong to each city. Um, then I use swarm plot and violin plot for rating column. Swarm plot shows individual data points. Violin plot shows the data distribution and density. For the 19th question, I plot a scatter plot between tats and cogs. This shows if there's a linear relationship. I use box plot to compare age across gender. This helps understand distribution differences. I use crosstab to create a frequency table between gender and customer type. This helps understand the category relationship. I use pair plot with hue equal to city. Pair plot shows relationship between multiple numerical variable at once. I calculate missing value count using ISNL and ISNUM. Then I calculate percentage of missing values. This helps decide the treatment method. For numerical columns with a small missing percentage, I replace missing values with mean. For categorical columns, I replace missing values with mode, which is the most frequent value. I use nearest interpolation method to estimate missing values based on nearby values. I remove rows where Z score is greater than 3. This cleans extreme values from the data set. I use min max scaler. Before mean imputation and after mean imputation, I am selecting the D types, including the number columns. For the nearest interpolation imputation for numerical columns, I'm searching less greater than 10 percentage for the interpolate. For the before mode interpretation and for categorical columns, I am using 100 is less than 10. Here I am using the drop columns with greater than 10 percentage missing values. Have dropped the values that are greater than 10. before dropping outliers and after dropping outliers. For here, I have used quantity as the data frame, and I have copied it to for finding the percentage of the duplicate rows of all columns. I have calculated this formula so that it will be helpful for drop duplicate rows of all columns before and after values. Find percentage of duplicate rows based on the specific columns. I have specified customer, product line, age, and gender, which drops the subset len of the data frame into 100%. Before dropping subset duplicates, DFF drop the duplicates of question 25 that I did and display the size before and after dropping. I have mentioned it here. Perform the min match normalization for a numerical feature age using Python code and analyze the values in scatter plot. I have mentioned min match and index normalized values age of the min match and the box plot for it. The scatter plot for it. Perform the SHScore normalization for a numerical feature age using Python code and analyze the values in the scatter plot. Z-score data frame for the age and the age Z-score. Z-score normalized, indexed, and Z-score value. This is the scatter plot. For the label encoding of our categorical future payment using Python code. One hot encoding for a categorical future payment using the Python code. Thank you.